finally here. It's the Lug Life Valentine's Day box, and I am hoping that this is an indication of what is inside. So let's open this together. The first Valentine's Day box was 2 years ago, and it was jam-packed with so much good stuff. So I was really excited to see they came out with the Valentine's Day one this year as well. So I have been highly anticipating this box. Ever since they sneaked that it was going to be coming out in early January, I have been looking for this box to go on sale, and I hit it within the first 5 minutes of when it went on sale, and now I have it in my hands, and I cannot wait to open it up with you guys. So it is a pretty little box, and sometimes what the box looks like is an indication of what's inside. It might be a pattern of what's inside, and sometimes it's nothing to do with anything that's inside. So let's go ahead and open it up. Enough talking. I cannot wait to see what's inside. And look, it says sweet surprises inside, and then this side says too cute to keep closed. So let's go ahead and open it up, and it looks like there's only one little tape area, so that's good. I don't have to worry about taping it all the way around. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Hopefully nothing spills out. Oops, there's more than one piece of tape. Looks like there's some on the side too. Okay, now let's open it up and see what is inside. Hopefully things don't start flying out. Cute pink paper. All right, so here is what's inside, and it does look like the box was an indication of what was inside. So you have your typical coupons. It looks like $25 off, $75, $50 off, $100, and these expire April 15th. And then another one that says $25 off your next purchase of $100, so an extra coupon there. And it looks like pins. It seems like we always get pins in these boxes. So let's see what these look like. Let me get them out of the plastic, let you see. They're super cute. So you've got another one of the green with their hearts, and then there's a really pretty pink with some hearts, and then a retro design, which I think I see in here as well. So there's your pin pack. And then this looks like a little accessory here. This is a strap, 1.5 inch strap. Love something strap. I'm not sure what this is, but it looks cute. It'd be a cute strap to put on for Valentine's Day. So there's the strap, and so that's super cute. Kind of similar, the holiday box had a strap and some pins in it. And let's go ahead and grab this one because this either indicates some kind of luxe fabric. So this is the Heartbeat Bubble Pink. So let's see what's inside this. Oh, so it looks like it's a pouch. This pouch kind of matches the pattern of the Ranger that was inside the Valentine's Day box 2 years ago. And if you want to kind of see a comparison of what's in this box versus the last Valentine's Day box, I will link that down below. Every time I get one of these boxes, I do an unboxing like this with you guys. So we open them up together, and you get like a first impression of everything that's inside, because I do not look at spoilers on these if I purchase them. So I never know what's inside until I open it up. So this is really nice. This feels like the Matte Luxe maybe, but it feels really good. But this looks like an oversized little pouch, but it has a strap with it. So it has a full 1 inch strap, and then you can see the inside of this is like the strap. So you could use this strap that comes with it or the 1.5 inch strap. And this is called the Heartbeat. I love the little heart detail that's on here in the heart pouch, and I love the material of this one. So this one is a good one. And then let's pull this smaller thing out next. This is the ziplet in vintage green. It's VNT GVLNT green. So I'm thinking that is vintage green, but I don't, Valentine maybe? So vintage green, Valentine green, maybe? So it's a cute pattern, and it does look vintage. When I was looking at this, when I pulled it up, I was like, this looks kind of retro. And it's got the cute little heart. Can you see that heart quilting? It's on the front, but the quilting's not on the back. It's kind of like a smooth back, but this is really cute. I love a great little like wristlet bag. So if I have like a bigger bag, then I will use this inside it and then just throw what I want if I want to use a small one. Oh, and the inside lining of this one is the same as the box. So it's got that green with the heart lining, so super cute. It's got a zipper inside. And then 2 cargo pockets right here, so a little bit of organization. And then on the front, it's got the clear pocket, and that is RFID protected. You do have the RFID tag there, so really cute. You can see the inside lining, and it's a pretty good size wristlet. Super cute. You can see that it does look very vintage and retro. I do really like that. And then I think there is one more thing. I don't think there's anything under this. No, that's the last thing. And this matches the box, and it also matches the lining of the bag that I just shared with you. Everything kind of coordinates. The strap coordinates with the little bubble heart pouch, the lining on the inside of that. And then this is the same lining as the retro. Super cute. And then the pins have these too. So this is a runner. And this is the Runner Supreme, maybe? I have the original Runner, and this doesn't look like this because I'm not used to little zippers on this, but this is another fun pattern. And I like a runner kind of like as a utility bag, so I can just kind of do a catch-all in there. And I also like to use them in my car. Oh, and so this has that cute little lining. This is a cute lining. I would like to see some bags in this lining because it's super cute. It's got like little hearts and really cute, fun lining. So this is the, this says Runner Supreme on the inside. So you can see it's a Runner Supreme, and it's got a pocket on the front, and then zippers. This zipper goes all the way to the other side, and then this zipper does too. So both of these zippers go all the way to the other side. So lots of room in that. So this is a really cute runner. I think it's bigger than the other runners as well. So that's, I guess, why they call it the Runner Supreme. Plus it has the side zipper. So really cute, vintage looking. I do like these prints. I think these prints are super cute. So let me give you my final thoughts about this box. I thought it was a good box. It was $100, and I did have some rewards. I think I had $40 rewards. I had used the $50 rewards on the holiday box, and then I used a $40 on this one. So I ended up getting this box for $60. There was no huge bags in here, but super cute things. I didn't see a lot of fluff, like sometimes some of the boxes might have a little bit of the smaller accessories, but I think everything kind of works together. You've got the runner. You could put the wristlet in the runner if you wanted to. And then you have the cute little bubble heart pouch. And then this strap matches the inside lining of this. And then the inside lining of this matches this. And the inside lining of this also matches this strap as well. So kind of everything kind of matches together. And then you have these pins, and the pins are an indication of everything as well. This is the same as the wristlet. This is the same as the lining, and this is the same as that runner. I think this was curated pretty cute with all of the accessories kind of matching and the linings matching the outside. And I think it's practical things that you can use. I mean, a wristlet you can put in one of your other bags or use it by itself. It's not gonna be a dressy wristlet, but something very casual. And then the runner, they're so good for, you know, if you're carrying groceries in, or if you need like some things, some small things you're running to the car with. And I just think that the runner is really practical, and I like the Supreme. I like the bigger style of it and the zippers that are in the front of that, so you can also have some more organization. So overall, I thought this was a cute box. I don't think I would have paid over $100 for this. I'm really glad I had the rewards because I felt like $60 was a little bit better priced for the items that are in here. But I'm not mad about this box. This box was cute. I liked it. I thought it was curated pretty well. And just let me know your thoughts. Did you get this box? And if so, were you satisfied with this? Now, I will admit I did like the previous Valentine's Day box a little bit better. That wallet that was included in that is so nice. I love that wallet. And then the Ranger, you can't go wrong with the Ranger. So far, the holiday box and the Valentine's Day box, the last 2 boxes they've come out with, I've been really impressed with. And I do really love their summer boxes too. So I'm hoping for a summer box. So did you like this box? Did you think it was worth the $100? And which pattern was your favorite pattern, or which style was your favorite style from this box? And let me know if you got this box as well, and if you are excited about all the things that are inside. I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and if so, please hit that like button, you guys. That really helps me out a lot. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.